Okay, good morning all of you. Today I again welcome you all to this session of English literature. Today we are going to revise the story Old Man at the Bridge. We are going to revise the story The Old Man at the Bridge. First of all, children, talking about Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway was an American poet, songwriter, novelist, playwright, story writer, and he has written stories which are based on his adventurous life, which are based upon his adventurous life, the uh, incidents that he encountered in his adventurous lives. He has tried to highlight those incidents. Now, talking about the story Old Man at the Bridge, reading about the title of the story, that is the old man at the bridge, it is very clear from the title itself that the story deals with a old man who must be near the bridge. So children, in this story we will come across the theme. The story revolves around the theme of duty, of sense of duty. The theme will be revolves around the theme of sense of duty. Sense of duty means one's dedication towards the work or the assignment that has been given to someone, that is known as sense of duty. And here we come to know that the person whose duty we are going to talk about is the old man. And old man believes that he must watch in the story we have come across the fact that the old man thought that he must watch for three things, that is four doves. What else children? What else? The cat and goats, and two goats. Four doves is a bird, the cat and two goats. Now the basic gist of the story must be clear to you all, that the story revolves around the idea of duty, or you can say sense of duty or dedication towards one's work. In the story, we come across the fact that Spanish civilian war has taken place, and people are running from one place to another, hiding for shelter and actually wanting for shelter. But this old man, on whom the story is based, through the narrator we come to know that he was sitting near the pontoon bridge, and he was not ready to leave that place, though he saw refugees coming, though he saw people being wounded in war, but he was not ready to leave that place and go, because he was given the charge to look after these things, that is four doves, the cat and two goats. And though he was 76 years of age and it was a civilian war, so his life was also under threat, but he could not you can say he could not gather so much courage where he could decide that he will leave these three things and he will go. And then this old man comes to know the mission of the narrator, the person who is narrating the story. His mission is actually to cross the pontoon bridge and find out how far the enemies have crossed. He comes across the man sitting. He is 76-year-old man. Just then, when he had decided to find out something about the enemy, he comes across the old man. He comes across the fact that there was an old man who was sitting near the bridge, and then he tries to find out why the old man was sitting. So the narrator, the person who narrates the story, he asked this, he asked the old man why he was not leaving. So the old man said that he was given. He tells that soldier, the person who is narrating is a soldier, and that is why he wants to know how far the enemies have advanced. So when when the narrator tried to inquire from the old man why was he sitting there, he comes across the fact that the old man told him that he was given charge of these things, and that is a cat, 4 doves means pigeon, and 2 goats. He was given charge of 4 doves, 2 goats, and a cat. Then he says that this old man who is actually taking care of these things, he says that he has no family. He did not belong to any particular family. He says that the cat will be all right as the cats. Then when talking about cat, the cat after whom he was looking, he told this narrator that the cats, they can take care of themselves. He is not very much concerned about the cat. And then he says about the other animals, but he was worried about the other animals, that is 4 pigeons and 2 goats. And then he says the soldier is worried and asks him to catch a sight on the truck to Barcelona. Since the war is taking place, the soldier wants this old man who is 76-year-old to also to join people and try to escape and save his life. That is why he tells this old man that he should join him on the truck so that he could reach to a safer place. Okay, but then let's find out what the old man says. Now, the narrator, the soldier, tries to convince old man that he should accompany him and try to escape from this place because fascist forces are advancing. Fascist forces means people who have instigated war for some particular reason. They are advancing and they are moving towards other forces. So he warns old man that fascist forces are advancing and that he should try to escape this situation and he should join him on the truck so that he can avoid being killed in the war. But the old man says that his concern is not about the cats, as we have already discussed. Old man says that cats can very well look after themselves. And then the soldier, the narrator, who is actually trying to influence this old man and tell him that he should actually, who is trying to influence this old man, and he is saying that he should actually join him and move away from this place, tells him that the doves, the pigeons that are there, the 4 pigeons that are there, they will also fly eventually. If they are given freedom to fly, they will obviously fly. They will eventually fly. But the old man's concern is regarding the 2 goats that are there. So he says what will happen to the goats. So he says what will happen to the goats. The soldier thinks, then the person who is narrating, he thinks that old man's fortune are also like that. Fortunes are also like similar to the fortune of a cat, where a cat can look after itself. Similarly, the old man will also look after itself, and something good will happen to the old man because he has shown sense of dedication, sense of responsibility that he was given. And then finally, the narrator, the day in which the story is portrayed is a dark, gloomy day. It is not very clear day, and the forces which actually wanted to implement their plan, implement their attack, they could not do so because of the forecasted weather. And this is where the story ends. Is this much clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
This story is actually, you can say, adopted version of Ernest Hemingway's novel, that is Farewell to Arms. In Farewell to Arms, Hemingway had discussed about war, how war took place, and the bloodshed that is there. See, here also war has been told that there is some sort of war that is going on, and it shows that Ernest Hemingway was himself part of certain situation where war had taken place. So this is actually adopted from the novel, that is Farewell to Arms. And in Farewell to Arms also he had talked about civilian war that was going on, and here also he has talked about the war that is going on, and he has shown how an old man showed dedication towards the work that he was given, and how he was attached to how much he was close to his duty. And this highlights the theme, that is the story revolves around the theme of sense of duty. Though he was given the offer by the narrator, the soldier, to escape from that place, but he did not, and he refused to do so, and he thought that he would continue with looking after these three things, that is the doves, the cat and the goats. And in spite of the narrator reminding him that they will take care of themselves once he is not here, the old man could not convince himself to leave these things and go away. And similarly, God also helped him, and the Faces forces who were about to launch their attack, they could not launch their attack because of the unfamiliar weather conditions. So it was help that he received. It was sort of a blessing in disguise for this old man, and it was sort of a blessing that was sent to him by God himself. That is, the weather was not good, and the Faces forces who were about to launch their attack, they could not do so. So here is what the story tells, that once if we are dedicated, obviously, then it is Almighty also who helps us to achieve our plans. So we should always be positive, and we should have a sense of responsibility in ourselves. The old man is epitome, you can say, is a symbol of sense of responsibility, of sense of duty towards something. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, children.